Always protect your hands by wearing heavy gloves or wrapping the cutting edges with rags or other materials when performing any maintenance on the mower blade. Always remove the battery pack when servicing or transporting the mower. To remove the blade, stop the motor and remove the battery pack from the mower. Turn the mower on its side. While wearing protective gloves, place a manual screwdriver or metal rod, 1/4, 6.35 millimeters, or less in the stabilizer hole. This is to stop the blade from rotating while loosening the bolt. Next, use a 9/16 inch, 14 millimeters, wrench to turn the blade bolt counterclockwise to loosen and remove the blade bolt. Then remove the washer and the blade. Remove the fan from the motor shaft if it is necessary. Next, to reinstall or replace the blade, be sure to replace the parts in the exact order in which they were removed. First, wear protective gloves. Place the fan back onto the motor shaft, with its fan blades facing towards the deck. Position the blade on the motor shaft with the surface stating this side facing grass facing toward the outside. Align the washer with the shaft and assemble it in place. Mount the bolt into the shaft and turn it clockwise by hand to pre-tighten it. Insert a manual screwdriver or metal rod, 1/4, 6.35 millimeters, or less in the stabilizer hole. This is to stop the blade from rotating while tightening the bolt. Use a 9/16, 14 millimeters, torque wrench to tighten the bolt clockwise. The recommended torque for the blade bolt is 36 to 43 foot-pound force, 49 to 59 Newton meters.